Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video we are going to design a packaging box. First we have to select a plane which we want to sketch and make it to the normal view and draw the rectangle. Select a center type rectangle and draw it. By using the small dimension we have to give the numerical values as per the requirement. After making the rectangular sketch, just exit and go to the features and select the extrude boss and specify the amount of thickness to be extruded. After extruding, just click OK. Then we have to select a shell command. Just select a shell option and select a face where we want to open the box and specify the thickness of the box. Then click OK. Now the one side of box is opened. Then go to the sheet metal option. Inside the sheet metal we have to select a insert bend option. After selecting the insert bend option, we have to select a bottom face of the box. We have to specify the radius of bending in all edges of the box. Then in the rib parameters, we have to select the inner vertical edges of the boxes. Now we have 4 vertical edges, so select one by one. Make sure you have to select the vertical edges of the box at inside. Now I select all 4 vertical edges, then click OK. It will take 2 to 3 seconds to generate. And also, if insert bend is successfully applied on the box, it asks for auto relief. So just select the auto relief OK. Then go to the edge flange option. Here we have to select the edges of the box which is used to open and close of the box. Give the length of the flange to be extruded. I select the 4 edges of the top. Now it achieves the box-like structure. You maybe select the opposite direction to open and close. Then go to the break corner. The break corner option is same as the fillet option in the features. If you want, you can apply the break corner option. After selecting the required edges for applying the blade corner, just click OK with specifying value of radius. Now the box-like structure is created. You can alter the shape of the flange as per your requirement. In this video, I just show how to create a simple box. By using a flatten option, you can just develop the surface of box and then unclick the flatten option to restore the box shape. Then you have to apply the good aesthetic color for the box for visualization purpose. If you want to edit the length of the flange, just right click on the edge flange to specify the new value of flanges. If you don't subscribe in your channel, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get the regular updates.